morning, I am Neetu Sharma with you in this bulletin. Welcome to our channel News Flash. Let's begin with the headlines. Indian diaspora in London gives PM Modi a grand welcome. The visit will focus on advancing collaboration across key areas. Open to protest against Bihar SIR amid RJD's boycott from discussion. Parliament set to debate tribes reservation bill and merchant shipping bill today. Thousands of devotees take holy dip at Sangam in Prayagraj on occasion of Shravan Amavasya. Rishabh Pant becomes first ever wicketkeeper better in Test history to achieve a unique feat. Let's begin with the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received a rousing welcome from the Indian diaspora as he arrived in London on Wednesday evening for a historic two-day visit aimed at strengthening the Indian-UK comprehensive strategic partnership and finalizing the long-anticipated free trade agreement. As PM Modi reached his hotel in the heart of the city, hundreds of Indians community members gathered outside dressed in traditional Indian attire. Artists played dhols while others danced and waved posters welcoming the Prime Minister. PM Modi's visit comes at the invitation of newly elected British Prime Minister Keir Starmer and marks his fourth official trip to the United Kingdom. The visit follows recent meeting between the two leaders at the G20 summit in Brazil and the G7 in June. This year, according to a statement from India's Ministry of External Affairs, the visit will focus on advancing collaboration across key areas such as trade and economy, technology and innovation, defense and security, climate change, healthcare, education and people-to-people ties. The centerpiece of the discussion will be the signing of the India-UK Free Trade Agreement, expected to significantly boost bilateral trade. Next news from capital New Delhi. The opposition parties are set to protest for the third consecutive day at Parliament premises against the ongoing special intensive revision being conducted by the Election Commission. The opposition parties have repeatedly called for a discussion in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha regarding the revision exercise, moving adjournment motions every day since the start of the monsoon session. The opposition parties have been protesting at the Parliament steps since the start of the session too, alleging that the revision exercise is being used for voter manipulation and deletion of votes ahead of the assembly elections. Meanwhile, in Bihar, the Rashtriya Janata Dal leader Tejaswini Yadav and party MP Manoj Jha have said that there might be a discussion of the possibility of a poll boycott. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi along with Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, DMK MP Kanimoji, Congress leaders Manikam Tagore and KC Venugopal participated in the protest for the past few days. Next news from Prayagraj. A large number of devotees took a holy dip in the confluence of river Ganga and Yamuna known as Sangam in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj on Thursday on the occasion of Shravan Amavasya. Taking a dip in the holy water on Shravan Amavasya is considered to have special significance, and devotees today along with the chanting and penance also make devotion. Even after the flood, a flock of devotees has been reaching at the Sangam point since the morning. Across various states in India, the auspicious day of Shravan Amavasya is being celebrated at the Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Priests performed Bhashma Aarti and devotees prayed with their hands folded. According to the Hindu tradition, Amavasya is considered as a time for remembrance, and when it falls in Shravan, it carries added power. On this auspicious day, families perform Tarpan, Shraddha and other rituals to pay homage to their ancestors, seeking their blessings for peace and well-being. Next news from cricket world. Indian wicket keeper batter Rishabh Pant made history on Wednesday, becoming the first ever wicketkeeper batter to score 1000-plus test run in an away country. Pant accomplished the milestone during the 4 Test against England at Manchester's Old Trafford. Before he was retired, hurt after a hit on his foot, Pant had made 37 in 48 balls with 2 fours and 6 with 2 fours and a 6 at a strike rate of about 77. Now in England, he has 1018 runs at an average of 44.26 with 4 centuries and 4 50s to his name. His best score is 146. No wicket-keeper batter in cricket history has achieved 1000 runs outside his home country. He also has most runs by a visiting wicket-keeper batter in England, next to Indian legend MS Dhoni's 778 runs. He also became the 6th batter after Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, Sunil Gavaskar, Virat Kohli and KL Rahul to complete 1000 runs in England in Tests. Next news from Amarnath Yatra. Amarnath Yatra. Since this year's Amarnath Yatra started on July 3rd, more than 3.42 lakhs Yatris have had darshan so far, while a fresh batch of 3,500 pilgrims started their journey on Thursday from Jammu towards the 2 base camps. More than 3.42 lakh Yatris have performed the ongoing Amarnath Yatra during the last 21 days as the huge rush of pilgrims continues unabated. The officially expected figure of 3.50 lakh Yatris performing the Yatra this year is likely to be crossed on Thursday. While 17 days are still left for the conclusion of this year's Yatra, the Yatra has been going on peacefully, smoothly, and this has encouraged the devotees to come in record numbers. The Bhumi Pujan of Chare Mubarak was performed at Pahalgam on July 10. The Chare Mubarak was then taken back to its seat at the Dashmi Akhara building. The army has deployed more than 8,000 special commandos to secure the passage of the pilgrims this year. The Yatra started on July 3rd and will end after 38 days on August 9, coinciding with Shravan Purnima and Raksha Bandhan. That's all we have in this bulletin. Be with us. Thank you.